BluMetric is mission-ready water. BluMetric provides a full range of environmental consulting services supported by bespoke engineering solutions for emergency, self-contained, and permanent water systems, and is always mission-ready with a full range of in-house support. There is no successful mission without water.
Good morning. We're here at DefSec 2025. I'm joined with Demur and Jamie and Derek. Small to medium-sized enterprise based out of...
Headquartered out of Regina, White City, Saskatchewan.
Headquartered out of Regina, Saskatchewan. Jamie and Derek, why don't you tell me a little bit about what Demur does?
I'll let you start.
So Demur Industries has three companies, Demur, JE Bearing, and Delcom Aerospace. We offer products in fabrication, CNC machining, and aerospace small precision components.
As well, we offer defense systems integration, we offer service support, and we punch above our weight. We're a small little company that can. We don't say no to anything.
And how many employees do you guys have?
Roughly combined right now with the three companies, we're under 200. It fluctuates. I'd say we're probably about 180 right now.
Yep.
So a true small to medium business in the defense landscape. And so you said, when was it incorporated? When did you guys start?
So Demur Industries was founded in 1987. In 1997, we got our first contract to play in the defense space. Since then, we've added other companies to our umbrella, if you will. We added Delcom Aerospace in 2018, which had been in business for 40 years. And then in 2023, JE came on board as a company. And how old were you?
And we're now in our 25th year, our 45th year.
Okay.
So there's a lot of industry experience that we're punching.
That's great. Good to hear. So what challenges are you facing in the landscape right now? How are you operating within the confines of the structure of procurement and all the wonderful things that come?
Can I be a little bit controversial?
Absolutely.
Okay, so we want to stop talking about headlines and we want to start seeing some money move. When you have Canada's only sovereign capability starting to lay people off, and their supply chain that supports 21,000 jobs in Canada starting to lay people off, it shows that while the politicians are in the news saying we're going to spend money, they're not actually spending money. So we need to make it so that Canada can move resources faster and get the kit in the hands of the CAF that desperately needs it. By doing that, we will be lifted as a small business, as well as many other small businesses, as well as will protect sovereign Canadian capability.
So how can we, as a small business, help formulate those plans to make that happen?
We provide the capability. We provide, as Canada looks to define the defense industrial strategy and really hone on what areas we deem important to protect our national security. As a small business, we provide those capabilities to make sure that whatever vision Canada has is actually attainable. And as a small business, we're quite agile, so we can grow to meet the need if it's not currently there. Being a small business is a detriment in some ways because in Canada, 47% of defense transactions touch a small business, but only 12% of actual defense spend. So while we see a lot of transactions are small in nature, they're not really sustaining us, but there's an opportunity to allow that to grow because as a small business, we don't have the bureaucracy, we don't have to move a big machine, so it's a lot quicker for us to turn. So if we need to have capability A today, cool, but if we need capability B tomorrow, a couple hires and a couple research and development projects and we're there.
And that speaks to the mission-ready conversations that we're having today. Those small to medium-sized businesses are able to move at agile speed. That's one of our main pillars of our organization at BluMetric as well. Agile, our agility to move quickly, fast. We don't have that red tape, that bureaucracy that you're speaking of.
And that scalability is important and fast, right?
Yes.
And the ability to move quickly, bring in new projects, jump onto new projects, having that ability, being a small business, that's our advantage.
Absolutely. If there was one thing that would help you sort of get there faster or make things easier for you, what would that be?
I think our biggest struggle right now is in Canada, in the space that we're in. We're between programs and getting action on those programs. There's been a lot of talk at the federal level about programs coming and spending in the defense industry, but we have not really seen anything released yet.
Absolutely.
So I think that's the first step.
And go ahead.
So if I had to sum it up in one word, certainty. We need defined timelines from Canada, when they're going to procure, what they're going to procure, etc. We need a clear and demand signal because as a small business, we're not able to exist on hearsay. We
Yes.
need to understand what we need to do tomorrow to be ready for the next thing that we need to do.
And we need to retool our facilities to be able to meet those needs. If you need X component tomorrow for this project, we need to be able to pivot and provide that solution
Absolutely.
and be mission ready. So thank you guys. Do you have any last words for the conversation that you'd like to relay to the audience today?
I think we're looking forward to the future, and we hope everything moves at that pace we're hoping it to, and like to see it move a little quicker. But there's a lot of opportunity coming. It's just we're ready.
Great.
Thank you for having us.
Yes, thank you for
Thank you.
joining me today. Thank you so much.
Great.
BluMetric is mission-ready water. BluMetric provides a full range of environmental consulting services supported by bespoke engineering solutions for emergency, self-contained, and permanent water systems, and is always mission-ready with a full range of in-house support. There is no successful mission without water.